After about a week of the gas tank for the Harley mini bike, it's been soaking in evapor rust because the tank was really bad. I will pop up a picture of what the rust used to look like in the tank. And now I'm just going to show you what it looks like now after sitting for about a week and rotating the stuff around. So just take the thing off. So that's what the liquid looks like right now. That's the stuff that we used. And this is what it's looking like now. Certainly a lot better in there. What I'm doing right now is I'm just going to empty the evapor rust stuff and get it back in the bottle. And once it's back in the bottle, I have a jug of water right there because the hose is too frozen right now. But we're just going to fill that up, rinse it out, and get the tank cleaned. Then I'm just going to let that air dry while we go get a new battery, since we did go out to get a battery, and the battery we got actually did not fit in there. So,
like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
but I'll get back to you guys once this is all drained out. Well, if any of you guys are wondering, this is what our yard looks like right now. Most of the snow is melting. It's almost gone. You can see the snowmobile tracks. But come over here to the gas tank. It's just sitting right there. So I got out almost all the evapor rust. I used a huge funnel. I didn't spill much at all. But except for I dumped it in the garage on accident. So I had to clean that up. I already ran 1 gallon through this thing. I rinsed it out and stuff. So I'm just gonna put this gallon in there, and then yeah. So this is what it's looking like in there. A little bit better now, but I just gotta rinse it out. Pretty much all that came out was just some old water and some rust. So I'm gonna run more gallon through it, and let's see how this goes. Spilled quite a lot of it, but it's okay. Alright, got the gas cap here. Twist it on there. Alright, so I just took out a bunch of the rust that was in there. That's just the rust that came out. So yeah, basically it's just I have a very minimal amount of rust left in there, and it's like really small pieces. So I'm just gonna throw just a little fuel filter on there, and just swap them out as the rust goes through it. So, all right, now I'm actually gonna dry this out inside. All right, got the tank back inside. I got the petcock open right now, just leaking under that towel, and I got a leaf blower, which I'm gonna dry it out with. So let's see how this goes. All right. Alrighty, we are back from the store now. Gas tank is sitting here. It's definitely very hot. Heater's just blowing right in the tank and warming it up. So we're back from Walmart. We got the battery over here. This is the battery we got. I just threw it onto the charger quick just to make sure it's all nice and charged. Right now I'm just trying to get this old fuel line off that we used just to get it to run. And I can't get it off. It is molded to it, so I am getting the heat gun ready. So, I have to wait for this to warm up, and I'm going to force this thing off of the carb. Let's hope this doesn't ignite. Well, if it does, then there's a fire extinguisher over there. Oh, let's see how this goes. Alright, heat gun strat worked very well. Got that thing off of there. We just used a, oh, well, there goes gas everywhere. That's fun. Freaking glue sucks. It's horrible glue. Alright, well, I guess I'm just going to rub that into the cement with my shoe. gonna put the gas tank on it now and then do the battery right after. So let's get the gas tank on. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like with the tank on it. Took me quite a bit to get the bolts tightened. They're not completely tightened, hard to get in there. But I mean, this thing looks pretty nice though, with that tank on there. So let's get this battery off the charger over here. Just pop that on there. Pop that on there. And now our battery's a little bit more charged. Just take the battery up. And we'll be able to test, make sure the battery's strong enough. So, positive first, so it doesn't spark. Pull that in here. And put these in the battery, so they hold the screws down. Positive first. Screw right down there. Go. Boom, there's positive done. Now I just gotta do the negative. And the screw. Okay. Maybe I did that wrong. That makes no sense. What? I wasn't doing it right, so. Alright, let's see if it has enough crankiness. Ready? Oh. Why is that not even cranking over the motor? Oh my god, I hate batteries. And I put the positive on the negative and negative on the positive, so let's swap that back over now. Alright, let's try this again. Fishing on. And now it's not cranking over. I blew the fuse right in here. So I have another one actually that was already in the bike that was in a different spot, and thankfully I have it because I can just swap it out now. But I can show you guys what a blown fuse looks like. Look here. This is a perfectly good fuse, okay? Nothing really wrong with it. You can see there's a metal wire in there. And then if you look at the blown fuse, try to get a good angle for you here. There's not really a wire in there anymore. You can see it. You can still see half the wire, but I just destroyed that wire. So basically, all the fuses are for is so if something goes wrong on the motor like I just did, it'll blow the fuse instead of blowing actually all the wires and melting them. So thankfully, I had this fuse in there, and I had a spare fuse. So let's get the new fuse in. Okay. And there we go. Replace the fuse. That's all it is. It's not too bad. Now, theoretically, should start. Or crank. Let's go. And I guess that's how you change out a fuse. And a battery. So, now all I gotta do is put the battery in. That's it. That's all I gotta do. So now we got the new battery in there, gas tank on, the rust cleaned out of it pretty much alongside the way. Give us some fuel lines on there, get the fuel filter on, and pump it up with some gas and see how it goes. Alrighty, so here is the new fuel line that I'm going to be using, and here is the new fuel filter. It's not the best fuel filter, but it's gonna work. I just gotta cut these to size and get them on there. So, all right, this I need to buy a new petcock now on Amazon. You can see right in there, right on there. You can see it's broken. If my phone will focus more on it, you can see it's cracked, kind of. But no, my phone really likes to look at this carburetor. It's like really interesting, I guess. A very interesting carburetor, apparently. I don't want to look at the carburetor. Look at the okay. I give up. My phone loves this carburetor. Loves anything other than what I'm trying to look at. Whatever. So I'm gonna just have to remove this and try to find something replica off of Amazon. I got a new air filter coming anyways tomorrow. So I got a bunch of stuff coming. But wait, I can actually just twist this off, I think. Really? Oh. Okay then. Now, in this part of the video, I am just going to go over everything that I've done to this bike since I'm just waiting on parts now. So, one, I put some rust stuff in the tank. Yeah, so, I got a new spark plug, whole wiring kit. I got brand new for it off Amazon. And you can just take the seal off right here. Take a look at that. That's what it looks like now. Got a whole wiring set in there. And then all the seat does is just slide on right there. Boom, seat's back on. New nuts for the front and rear axles. And grease those up a little bit. Isn't spinning too freely, but it's alright. Got new keys for this thing. I gotta try to wire this up here, hopefully someday, soon, and fix that. But basically, I took it from having no spark to having great spark again. And yeah, I removed the blinkers and the lights from the front because they looked horrible and they didn't even work. They were broken. Got a new fuel filter on, which I put on in this video too. This thing is definitely much better than it was when I got it. There's a reason I got it for free. It was a piece of crap, but now I'm actually bringing this thing to life. This is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And there will probably be another part when I actually get this started, so peace.